Hey guys, my name's Emily and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the May Bellabox. For those of you who do not know what Bellabox is, basically it's a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs you $17.95 per month. It gets delivered to your doorstep and it has 5+ deluxe size beauty samples to try. So I harp on about this every time I do a Bellabox video, but the reason I love Bellabox is because I get so many random things I would never buy myself. So it's really cool to try out different stuff that I wouldn't go and spend my money on. And that way I'm getting like a decent sized sample, or like most of the time there's full size products in there as well. And if I do love it, I can then go and invest my money in that product. So for $17.95, trying out 5 different beauty samples is always a win for me. If you guys do enjoy my Bellabox unboxing videos, then be sure to give this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you don't miss a video that I post. I'm not going to keep talking, I'm just going to get straight into this unboxing. So guys, I have my Bellabox here, and I have had a sneak peek in it, as I always have, because I took a photo for Instagram, which I'm about to post in like 40 minutes because apparently that's when everyone is online. This May Bellabox is themed weekend skin. So one would assume by weekend skin that we've got a whole lot of skin loving products in here. So I have my box here and I'm just going to randomly pick some stuff out. It looks like there's heaps in here because I did unbox a few things to make my picture look nice. Okay, whoa. So the first thing I pulled out is from Modelco, and it is the Baked Highlighter in the shade Moonshine. I love that word for some reason, I don't know. So on the back of the card, it says, "We love anything described as baked, muffins, bread, and now makeup. This month we have the Modelco Baked Highlighter, which creates a warm glow to brighten and highlight every complexion. The micronized color pigments and luxurious pressed powder delivers a sheer, natural radiance that lasts all day. Get ready to be glowing, goddess." Ooh, that sounds nice. So because I did know there was a highlighter in this month's box, I purposely did not put any highlighter on so that I can try this out. I also did just give my Anastasia highlighter brush a quick clean so that there's no other highlighting product on the brush, so we can see how it goes. I've never tried a Modelco highlighter, so I'm excited. It looks a bit powdery. Ooh, that is nice. I was worried about how powdery it looks, but I think it actually applies to the skin quite nicely. I'm just gonna literally put this everywhere. I am impressed. I will definitely use this. It's not like full on, but it is a really pretty sheer natural looking glow, and I was super worried about the color because it looks very coppery and I'm pretty pale. Like, I have fake tan on right now. That's how pale I am. So the recommended retail price for this Modelco highlighter is $25. Reasonable for a highlighter, I think. Okay, now I'm going to grab this bad boy. It's a shake. So this is from Roche-Posay. I'm probably saying that wrong. And it is called Serozinc. So what is this? I've actually never heard of this product before. So on the card it says, La Roche-Posay Serozinc is a purifying and mattifying mist enriched with zinc sulfate, specifically designed to target the key signs of oily, acne-prone skin. With a versatile formula, it is perfect for use as a toner or to refresh and treat your skin at any time of the day. It's an effective solution to help prevent excess shine and tighten the appearance of pores. Oh, that sounds nice. I love face sprays, and I'm just gonna go ahead and try this right now. That is really refreshing. It kind of scared me at first. It comes out a lot more than your average setting spray where you just kind of and it sprays. This one is constant, but it came out really evenly and that was actually really refreshing. So it's a win for me. I love face mist though. Like, I'm just trying to like move my face around. It doesn't feel sticky or anything. It's already dry, which is good. I would probably have to test the longevity of it throughout the day to see if it prevents my excess shine and makes my pores look smaller, but on like a first quick try, I really enjoy this. The recommended retail price is $24.95 for 150 mils. So this is only 50 mils, so that's a really generous sample size right here. So the next thing I'm pulling out is from Revlon Professional. Is Nutri Color Cream 3-in-1 cocktail. Color care and shine, white, platinum. Interesting. So I don't get my hair done anymore. As you can see, I'm literally just growing my blonde out for a while. And if I was to get my hair colored, I definitely wouldn't do it myself because I don't trust myself at all. Maybe I will get one of my sisters to help me do like the ends or something just to keep my blonde one day. So on the back of the card it says, this unique 3-in-1 product that provides instant hair coloring with nourishing treatment for colored hair. The rich color provides uniform application from the roots to the tips and good unwavering color hold. No ammonia, no peroxide. That's good. And it's also a pH 4.5 to 5 to completely respect the hair and scalp. So the recommended retail price for this one is $14.95 for 100 mils. So this is a 50 mil. It's still a pretty decent sized tube. That probably wouldn't be enough for my hair though. So if I do try this, I'm gonna go have to purchase a full size just so I can get all this. So the next thing that I've just pulled out of my Bellabox is the Nivea Shower Cream Rich Moisture Soft. I thought this was a moisturizer the other day and I really needed some, so I was gonna use it and then I noticed it was shower cream. So not what I needed. But I have tried the shower cream before and I really like it. It makes my skin feel really, really soft. However, it makes the floor of the shower so slippery, like you're just sliding around in there and it's dangerous. So be careful when you use this if you don't have good balance, because it was scary. So on the back of the card it says, let this shower cream with almond oil nourish your skin with a rich lather while its mild scent delights your senses. It will leave your skin feeling silky, soft and intensively moisturized. So the recommended retail price for a 500 ml is $8. So this one is super affordable. This is a little 50 ml sample. Like I said, these are beauty samples. You're only paying $17.95 for the whole box, and this highlighter alone was $25. So you've already got your value with the first full-size product, but like this is a 50 ml sample, 50 ml sample, and what was the other one? Another 50 ml sample. So they're not just like foil packets, although there is one foil packet, but they're like decent deluxe size samples, which is another thing I really love about Bellabox. Okay, my box is so much lighter now, almost done. So this is the last item I've pulled out of the Bellabox. It is the White Glow Charcoal Deep Stain Remover. So it has activated charcoal and it's a whitening toothpaste. On the back of the card, it says, White Glow is here to help you with your smile. This whitening toothpaste is activated with charcoal particles to help detoxify your mouth and remove deep stains and discoloration. It is highly absorbent, so it penetrates and draws out stubborn stains and whitens teeth enamel. So the recommended retail price for this in 150 mils is $6, which is about a standard toothpaste price. This is a 24 gram packet, so you definitely have enough times to try it before deciding if this is a toothpaste for you. Also, I ran out of toothpaste this morning, so this is good timing because I will use this like tonight. So guys, the final thing that I'm pulling out of my Bellabox is a little foil packet. So this is a little bonus sample that they throw in. Bellabox states you get 5 products, but you always get a couple of extra little samples, which is awesome. So this is the Nutrimetics White Age Midnight Radiance Night Cream. I might leave this on my dresser and put this on before bed tonight and see how it goes. Alright guys, so my favorite product this month is definitely the highlighter. I'm like looking at myself in the mirror and loving it. I'm also pretty impressed with this Roche-Posay. I'm also super keen to test the longevity of this spray because it feels really nice and I feel like it just set my makeup very, very nicely. So yeah, that is, whoa, throwing stuff around. That is everything I got in the May Weekend Skin Bellabox. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss future videos. Thank you all so much for watching and I will see you all in the next video that I post. Mwah!